baby. I love you. My cancer survivor. Where's my macaroni and cheese?
You just suck. Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Todd.
Sassy Queen.
Yeah, this is Deborah, the Sassy Kitchen Queen. We hope you're having a great Saturday night, whatever you guys might be doing. Hopefully you're cooking some delicious food. And hopefully with bacon, as you can see, we got a little bacon thing going on here. And she just decided to cook and I just decided to eat it. So
there's nothing to eat yet.
This is going to be some delicious Hatch Chile inspired macaroni and cheese bacon. So stick around. Welcome back, guys. Okay, so this is actually a little bit more than just your run-of-the-mill macaroni and cheese. We're doing this for Shane and the collaboration that he got started actually about 4 weeks ago, and somehow I just never heard about it. I'm just not paying attention to folks, and I should be. Hashtag Cooking Against Cancer. So it's Saturday night here, and I'm counting over 12 or a dozen or more people that have uploaded videos, and so we're going to go ahead and jump in the ring and support the effort, and we're going to leave a link to Shane's channel down below. As you see, Sassy Kitchen Queen is cooking up a nice little monster macaroni and cheese thing here. She's got some cheese, creamy cheese that she's making. She's got some bacon. What else you got going on, babe?
I've got goat cheese and I've got some sharp Tillamook, and I'm going to actually melt all my cheeses together with this heavy cream and maybe milk if I don't have enough. I'm going to use whatever macaroni I have in the cupboard. Not sure if you want that.
Looks like we found this in the cupboard.
And I'm going to just pour the mixture over the macaroni.
Some of you might know, a lot of you don't. We have a personal experience with cancer. Deborah, about 10 years ago, was diagnosed with stage 3 colorectal cancer. It was a big scare. We had a lot of our own little trials and tribulations, and we got through it. We took out the heavy hitters. We got them on board, and here, 7 years later, she's cured. So not a lot of people can say that, especially Shane. I know you had a rough time with your son. Our condolences to you for your loss. So since this is my favorite dish, hey, we're going to go ahead and make it as a tribute to everyone that might have had a little bout of cancer. Okay, so we're going to get busy here.
Forgive me if I don't get involved.
What?
Forgive me if I don't get involved and not too vocal. I guess I was watching all the food channels today, watching all these awesome cooks make all these awesome dishes, and I started getting all emotional, and then I had to stop watching because I started crying, and my heart goes out to the men and women that are fighting cancer, and I just really wish they'd find a cure already, I mean, some of it's, we've got survivors, we have lost loved ones, and we have people that are fighting for their lives, and I happen to know some of those people, and I just started cooking. That's what I do when I get all sad and feeling bad. I cook. That's what I do. So he just kind of caught me in the kitchen.
So I make sure she's sad a lot.
Shut up. Get away.
So she's gonna get cooking. I'm gonna get filming. All right, what you doing with the panko?
fry it up in a little bit of this butter and a little bit of that bacon grease that I have in here, but not too much. And then I'm going to, actually, I'm just warming this up. I'm going to turn it off. And then I'm going to put some panko in it.
Alright.
I just want to kind of get them wet, you know, in that butter. Mixed up in that butter. I don't really want them to brown in here because it's going to brown in the oven.
That's going to go on top of the macaroni and cheese?
Yes.
Alright. So sorry about the sound of the fan. Got a lot of hot dishes here.
Actually, you can turn it off because it's very annoying.
Okay. Let's see here.
I'm done cooking. I'm at the final stage.
How about we just turn it down? Alright.
Yep. I'm at the final stage here. I'm going to do this.
Got the cheese sauce ready to go. Looks really velvety and delicious.
Yes, it is.
Looks like
I've got goat cheese in here.
Goat cheese.
I've got some sharp cheddar, Tillamook, my favorite. I got a brick of cream cheese in here. I've got some heavy cream, and I put a little bit of milk. All melted. I'm going to put my macaroni in this pan, and I'm just going to pour the cheese mixture over it, and I'm going to mix the hatch chili in. I don't think I'm going to put all of it. I probably can just put like maybe this much, because this stuff is hot. A
little parsley?
Yes. Just for color. Just a little color. Okay, now I'm just going to put a small portion of this hatch chili in the cheese sauce.
Yeah, the good stuff.
I'm not going to put it all though, because this stuff is like really hot. This hatch is really, really hot. Mix it around. Real good there. I mean, I'm sure that I think I want to taste it to see how what the heat is like. Okay, going for it, because I think that this pasta and this cheese mixture here, they're gonna just suck it all up.
Go for it.
Yep. Okay, gonna mix this around real good. And then we're just gonna pour it over our macaroni. So let's just get this out of the way here.
But this is a special cook, obviously, and definitely, all joking aside, it's a very serious thing. So we're going to drop a link to the Ronald McDonald House down in the description, which is the charity of choice for this collab. So please visit it, give what you can, even if it's just a small donation. I think actions speak louder than words, and you might help somebody that is in desperate need.
Okay, I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees. I'm going to put some of this yummy bacon, this pepper. This is Black Forest peppercorn bacon. I found this at this little store, and I thought I had to try it. So, and it tastes really delicious. So we're just going to put all of this bacon in here. We're going to save a little for the top and mix it all up. Oh yeah. If you like this, honey, it's going to be nice and creamy. You didn't think I was cooking tonight, did you?
Nuh-uh.
Well, I wasn't, but then I thought, you know what? I just feel like I'm going to take the rest of our bacon. We don't need to put any more cheese. This is loaded with cheese already. I just want the crunchy topping. I'll be fine with just that. There we go.
What about these green onions here?
Well, I'm gonna put those on as a garnish after this is done. And our oven is ready.
We're gonna put it on the top.
Ooh, how's it look?
Let's take a peek. It's browning. It's starting to bubble on the edges. Yay.
You know, if you're looking, you ain't cooking.
This ain't no smoker.
Oh, okay.
I love you, honey.
Thanks, baby. I love you. My cancer survivor. Mwah. And where's my macaroni and cheese?
God, you just suck.
Oh, look at that. A little smoky. But that's okay. It's that panko, I bet, huh?
No, it's the butter spilling over into the tray.
Oh, shoot. Okay. That's all right. So we just turned on the fans a little bit, get a little air going here. It's not really smoking anymore. That don't look bad at all. That looks delicious.
And I'm just gonna put a little bit of green onion garnish, just a little bit, just to give it some greenery. Don't want to put too much. It's not an onion dish, but I do want a piece of this bacon.
Cheater.
That bacon's friggin' good. That's good bacon.
All right, let's dish this up. All right.
Oh.
I don't know about you, but I like macaroni and cheese nice and hot. Oh yeah, it's looking hot. Oh yeah.
It's gonna be really hot though. Oh.
How's it taste?
Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my god. It's so delicious. You're gonna love this, honey.
How do you like it?
Oh, I love it. Oh my god, it's so good. Here.
Tell me about it.
It's delicious. The Hatch chili. Oh my gosh. My panko topping. The blend of cheeses I put together. That yummy bacon. It is good.
So I'm the macaroni and cheese kid, by the way.
Then it'll have blow, blow, blow. Hot, hot. Oh, that's outstanding. All right, honey.
Really tasty.
Well, I just want to say thank you for joining us and viewing our channel. You know, I wasn't going to cook today, but I got sentimental and I felt like I really needed to contribute. And with that being said, here is my Hatch mac and cheese with bacon, and it's really delicious.
And we're going to eat that now. So, guys, check out the links in the description to Shane's website, Ronald McDonald House, and hashtag
Cooking Against Cancer. I dedicate this dish to every survivor, every loved one who's passed.
All right, guys. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.